Alright guys, it's Mr. Hospital unboxing here. Today I'm going to be doing a quick sound test of the £20 Studio Beats from iOffer versus the £40 Beats from iOffer again. First of all, I'm going to be first I'm going to be using the song Whiscliff on my level because it's a display of the bass, which most people, when they're buying studios, that's what they want, the bass, powerful bass. And one thing I've noticed after I've been using these, the hinges at this side barely click, but they still actually keep in place if you compared to on this side. That right, let's just try it now. Turn them on. Okay.
Say, Jill. It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, Bombay sipping, no blunt smoking. Bad bitch getting thick and she got some friends with her. I take them out, pour shots of liquor, drink.
From that you can tell how loud and powerful these headphones are, but not only that, you can tell that the bass on these is actually really good, and it actually vibrates your ears. So after you've listened to them, let's try these cheaper, cost half the price. And these hinges are actually really bad on these. Like, you can't even hold them like that because they just fold straight away. Right, let's try them. Plug them in 1 minute.
Say, Jill. It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, Bombay sipping, no blunt smoking.
From this you can tell that the batteries in the £40 ones actually have a big impact on the overall powerful and loudness of the actual headphones, whereas these they don't need batteries, you can tell the bass is still good when they're actually on your ears, but it's just not as good as the £40 ones. So this video suggested me to be by Digramora 195. So thanks to him for suggesting that. So yeah, this has been a review, sound quality test, the £20 Studio Beats versus the £40 Studio Beats. And quickly to summarise, I think that although the £40 ones are much louder as a whole, as off your ears as they are on, I think they're still better as they've got much more bass, but for what you're paying for these, are actually really decent. So it depends on what you want to pay. And a quick shout out to Elliot Wilkinson. Right, thanks, see you later.